Hi everyone, it's Simon Ammons here with episode 18 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, where are those spare parts when you need them? Answer, good question actually. But in all seriousness, managing spare parts is no easy feat. On one hand, you want to have enough spare parts on hand for when, not if, a piece of equipment breaks down. On the other hand, it costs money to purchase, organize, and maintain all those spare parts on site. A better question might be, where do you draw the line when it comes to spare parts? Well, first, you have to look at your critical equipment. And by critical equipment, I mean if it goes down, the whole facility goes down. Think steam boilers, water for injection systems, Wi-Fi systems, reverse osmosis units, RO units, production bioreactors, centrifuges, packed bed columns. Without those key pieces of equipment, you're likely not making any product anyway. So you want to start there and ensure that the spare parts for those are readily on hand. You can also lean on your vendors and they can tell you what they've seen as far as parts that are hard to come by. You definitely want to keep those on hand, those spare parts needed to run those critical pieces of equipment. It's always going to be a tug of war, anyhow you look at it, to establish and then maintain a robust spare parts while not eating into your bottom line too much. But by focusing on your most critical pieces of equipment, you'll be one step closer to achieving a balance with both competing priorities. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.